So if you got yourself a PC from us, theMVP.in, congratulations. We'll be showing you a step-by-step guide so that your unboxing experience becomes easier for you and you don't face any hiccups. So without any further ado, let's get started. Number one, before you do anything, get your tools. You will need a blade or a knife and a screwdriver to go through with it efficiently. What you'll receive two boxes, which of course you will have to unbox. The big box that you see has your PC, while the smaller one includes the cables, Wi-Fi antenna, paperwork, manuals, etc. In certain cases, you might also have a third box. It'll have your GPU. We'll explain why in a bit. Now, let's get started by cutting through the outer covering with a knife. Remember to be gentle and do not push through the packaging harshly. Once this is done, make sure the box is flipped over so it's easier to remove the actual PC from the box, like so. Now just pull out the thermocol and you'll notice a paper with some text. Keep this aside for now. Take a look inside your build and you'll notice a white color package. Don't worry, this is just protective packaging to keep the internal components safe during shipping. From here, you'll need to remove the side panel. Huge disclaimer, be careful because the side panel in most cases is made of glass. Dropping it or putting it down too hard may cause it to shatter. Most cabinets will have thumb screws towards the back. Just rotate these thumb screws and once the thumb screw is loose, slide or pull the glass panel depending on the case. Put it in a safe place to make sure it's safe. Now if you open up the second bunch of boxes, you'll notice a motherboard box and a graphic card box. The motherboard box will have the necessary cables needed to use your system and packaging of individual components. You can retain this for warranty and RMA purposes, so do store this in a safe space. The GPU box will contain the GPU. Because if your GPU is heavy, then we ship it separately and not installed. This is done for safety. Now installing the GPU. Unbox the card, grab your screwdriver. The area right here will have 2 to 3 open slots with screws. Unscrew them with your screwdriver and put them aside. Now align the gold-plated chip part of your GPU with the slot. One thing to keep in mind is that the fins near the display ports of the GPU should fit between the motherboard and the case. There will also be a video on screen, so just follow along. Next up, push the GPU inwards while holding the case until you hear a click sound. This means the GPU has been locked into the motherboard. Screw the screws back in and give the power connection to your GPU as displayed on your screen right now. Now you can put the side panel back on and scan the leftover boxes to find the cable and antennas along with paperwork. And if you're using Ethernet, we'd suggest screwing in the Wi-Fi antennas now. In case your cable stops working, you can still make do with Wi-Fi. Put in your Wi-Fi antennas, locate the gold-plated extrusions on the back side of the motherboard and screw on the antennas. Now you can read through the guide that was taped onto your PC. It's a very basic guide on how to power up your system and where to plug the display and power plugs. To connect the cables, you need to make sure you connect them to the graphic card HDMI and not the motherboard. Once again, to the graphic card and not the motherboard. If your build doesn't have a GPU at all, chances are that you're running with the processor with integrated graphics. In this case, of course, you connect your display cable to your motherboard. Now connect the power cable to the power switch, which is usually located at the bottom of the case, and make sure the switch is turned on. The I means the power supply is on and the O or 0 means it's switched off. Now finally you can switch on your system by locating the power button and pressing it. We hope your system unboxing experience was made easier. If you do need any further assistance, please reach out to any of these contact points and we'll be right with you. Congratulations on your new PC and thank you for watching.